Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a TXT record in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Domains. And next to the domain name you want to add a TXT record on, click on Manage. Go to DNS/name servers. And from here, you can manage your DNS records. First, select TXT as the type. Here, if you want to give your TXT record a name, you can fill it here. And after that, you need to fill in your TXT record value here. In my case, this is the example TXT record value that I will use. I will copy paste it like that and hit add record. DNS record created successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. DNS record created successfully. Now to verify that my TXT DNS record value is added successfully, I will verify it using a tool called, for example, just look for TXT record verify. Let's use this first website. Fill in my domain name and hit TXT lookup. And as you see, for my domain name, this is the value I've just added. This means that my TXT record is added successfully. And this is how to add a TXT record value in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.